In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon to your Wix website using Wix Editor or Wix Studio, a simple process that adds a professional touch to your online space. First things first, let's ensure you have Google Chrome open, as we'll be working within this browser for today's task. It's a breeze to navigate, and Wix supports it really well. Now, let's go to your Wix site. If you haven't done so already, log into your account and open the site you wish to edit. You're going to want to be in the Wix Editor or Wix Studio environment. Once you're in, direct your attention over to the left side of your screen. You'll find a menu with multiple options. You're looking for the Site Settings section. Give that a click. Under Site Settings, you'll notice various options that help you customize and fine-tune your website. Among these options, one key feature is the favicon link. Click on that, and you're ready for the next part of this process. What's a favicon, you ask? Well, a favicon is a small iconic image that represents your website, typically displayed on your web browser's tab or alongside your website's title. Think of it as your website's badge of honor, a tiny but mighty symbol that's reflective of your brand, making your site easily recognizable and professional in appearance. You'll need to have your favicon ready beforehand. Ideally, it should be a 32 by 32 pixel image and saved as either a PNG or ICO file. If you don't have your favicon image handy, take a moment to prepare one. There are numerous online tools that can help you in creating a simple yet effective icon if needed. Once you've got your image ready to go, hit the Upload button within the favicon settings. This will open up a pop-up window for you to navigate through your computer files, allowing you to select your prepared favicon image. Double-click your file, and it will upload into the Wix editor. You'll see it appear in the favicon settings. This means it's ready to take its rightful place on your site. Now comes the crucial part, saving your changes and publishing them. Look up to the top right corner of your Wix editor screen and find the Save button. Saving your work is critical to ensure no changes are lost. After saving, click on Publish. This will push all your changes live, effectively updating your website with the fresh favicon you've just set. Take a moment to bask in the satisfaction of a job well done, and perhaps even refresh your browser to see your new favicon pop into place on the tab. And there you have it, a polished look for your website that's as functional as it is easy on the eyes. Thanks for following along, and happy Wix building!